What they don't understand is if that property, according to the assessed value, if it is destroyed more than 50%, they have to build to today's standards. And
Mhm.
that could be a huge expense that their insurance may or may not cover.
Again, another little
Mhm.
tidbit that we've learned along the way.
Referencing the airport, Tampa Bay Airport, I have to say, it is phenomenal. It is so, with all the flying back and forth that I do, and I know you guys do too, it is the fastest airport, and just very efficient every single time, consistently. I've never had like, oh, this is just such a nightmare today. It's just such a well organized airport. So I got to brag about that a little bit too.
Yeah, brag on Tampa
Yeah.
Airport.
But you know,
All
the
have
only
great airports.
I know the
Mhm.
only bad thing about Fort Myers at this point is there are no direct flights. So if you're flying out to Vegas, we have to go up to Kansas City for a stop, or, they just direct us. So there's no, direct flights, to other bigger hubs, except Minnesota,
Although Minnesota, you can, yeah.
Right. And now that
Somebody lives there.
Sun Country got bought out by Allegiant, we're just kind of waiting. But with the bigger airport, we're excited to see what happens there to try to get to more places with direct flights.
Well, you and I share Punta Gorda, and Punta Gorda, it's got a airport that is expanding, and we're gonna go Punta Gorda, then Sarasota, then Fort Myers.